Maybe if you wouldn't mind just saying a little bit about what you felt of the sort of the barriers to coming forward, whether it's professionally, reputationally, even procedurally, what does one even do to effectively try and bring a claim?
Yeah. So there is such an enormous power disparity between a judge, whether state or federal, life tenured or only confirmed for a 10-year term, and a law clerk in their first job, fresh out of law school, that makes it enormously difficult to speak out even in the face of outrageous mistreatment. In terms of the process, I mean, the barriers are numerous, and they're cultural as well as legal. And I should distinguish between state and federal courts. So state court clerks protected by Title VII or similar legislation, federal clerks not so much. But really the two main avenues, whether you're a state or federal clerk, would be some sort of employee dispute resolution if you are currently clerking to get away from the judge who's harassing you, or a formal judicial complaint. The issue is, and why I talk a lot about larger cultural change in the legal community, when I think about my own experience, as I was preparing to file a complaint, as I was preparing to speak publicly, numerous attorneys, particularly female attorneys, told me things like the right professional decision would have been not to report, that speaking publicly would tarnish my reputation. And that is in the water in the legal community right now. Procedurally, very few EDR or judicial conduct and disability or JC and DIAC complaints are filed by law clerks against judges. Why? Law clerks fear, reasonably, reputational harm in the legal community, folks finding out, being blackballed from a job. They also fear retaliation by the judges who harass them in the first place. And right now we have neither laws nor internal workplace protections to protect folks who come forward.